What's up guys, today I'm going to show you how to get Frozen City mode hacked APK for your iOS and Android versions. Totally free guys, with unlimited resources, unlimited diamonds, and totally insane guys. You haven't find this on any of other app store or any play store, because it's just a latest version for your latest iOS 16s versions from iOS 11 to iOS 16. So be carefully, follow all the steps to get this app on your devices. You don't need any jailbroken or Android rooted devices. You just need to follow me to get this app step by step. So be carefully, follow all the steps, don't skip a single step. If you skip, you can't be able to get this app. So we move to the screen to get the tutorial, but before going to the screen, I'm going to inform you that I'm going to pasting the link of the tutorial in the description screen of tutorial. So click and come on next screen and watch the tutorial there.